For someone, physics may not be just a subject, instead a reflection of laws of nature, and for some people, it's a branch of science just concerned with long and complicated formulas to describe how a ball rolls. But it's one of the field of science that interests everyone. So for all the physics enthusiasts out there, Graham Oli presents Physica 2021, Understand, Apply, Achieve, in collaboration with Indian School of Physics and Physics Surgery. It's the annual physics contest hosted by Graham Oli, where you get to put your physics knowledge to test and simultaneously win prizes from a pool of more than $15,000. So let's get into the details of the contest. First of all, the eligibility. It is an open physics challenge for everyone. Anyone from middle school to a retired physics professor can participate. We have two categories for the contest. In category A, first year undergraduate students and below can participate, including high school students and middle school students. The category B is open for everyone, including A category students if they want to compete in the open pool. However, only A category participants are eligible for prizes in round 2 and round 3. However, round 1 prizes shall be given to everyone. The contest will take place in two stages comprising of 3 rounds, where the first stage has 2 rounds and second stage has one final round. First and second rounds are open for everyone, and the cumulative score, which is 10% score of round 1 plus 90% score of round 2, will decide your qualification to the second stage. Participants having a total score in top 50 will qualify for second stage, and in case of ties, preference will be given by hidden tiebreakers. Also, there is a $7 complimentary prize for participants from category A and category B for pairing both the rounds. Let's discuss the format of round 1. The pattern of round 1 is as follows. There will be 10 questions and you have to answer them in 30 minutes. There will be either integer answers 0 to 9 or will be multiple correct type answers. The marking format will be +2 for getting right, 0 for leaving the question, and 0 for getting it wrong. You could take the test anytime between 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. IST on 5th September. Let's discuss the format of round 2. The pattern is 16 questions and you have to answer them in 60 minutes. The marking scheme is same as round 2, and you could attempt the test anytime between 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. IST on 12th September. So let's look into the details of round 3 or stage 2. The pattern of round 3 is as follows. You have to answer 6 questions in under 180 minutes and the questions will be subjective type. More details about round 3 will be announced soon, and the tentative date for round 3 is 15th January. Let's have a look on the details of organizer who made this contest possible. First, we have Graham Oli. From exceptional handouts to seminars and excellent quality content, Graham Oli will provide it all, free of cost to everyone. Indian School of Physics, run by Nitin Sachin sir, INSP makes intriguing physics videos focusing on challenging problems and creative solutions. Then we have Physics Surgery. Physics Surgery, run by Janardhan sir, makes videos on intriguing physics challenges and concepts for pre-college students, which is highly beneficial for students appearing in JEE or Physics Olympiads. Let's have a look on the sponsors of the contest. First, we have Art of Problem Solving. Art of Problem Solving is a creative problem solving community filled with challenging problems that require creativity and persistence to solve. Then we have Mathscha. Mathscha is a mathematics online editor you can access from anywhere via your web browser. Then we have Replit. Replit is a simple yet powerful online IDE editor, compiler, and interpreter. You can code, compile, run, and host in 50 plus programming languages all online. Then we have Overleaf. Overleaf is a startup and social enterprise that builds modern collaborative authoring tools for scientists like Google Docs for Science. Then we have PhysicsOlymp. Theory, examples, challenging problems organized by topic, which would be useful for preparation to physics competitions and advanced exams. Let's have a look on the prices of the contest. In round 1, gifts worth $7 will be given to all participants which appear in both round 1 and round 2. In round 2, prizes worth $66 to top 200 participants of round 2. In round 3, top 3 students will get 180 plus 48 plus $25 each. Top 10 students will get 180 plus $48 each, and top 50 will get $48 each. You can register to the contest via this link, and it's the last day to register for the contest. You should hurry up and register to the contest. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to Grammarly for more such content.